Welcome back to Moo Techie, your trusted source for expert knowledge in dairy science and technology. Continuing from our previous class on cheese classification, we now move into class 4 of cheese technology, where we will explore the composition and nutritional value of cheese. This understanding is vital for appreciating why cheese is such a nutritious and versatile food. Let's begin. We start with an introduction to the composition and nutritional value of cheese. Cheese is a highly nutritious and versatile dairy food. Its nutritional composition is determined by multifactorial parameters, including the type of milk used, such as the species, fat content, breed, and stage of lactation of the animal, as well as the manufacturing and ripening procedures. Cheese is rich in fat and casein but contains only small amounts of water-soluble constituents like whey proteins, lactose, and water-soluble vitamins. Moving forward, we have a detailed table showing the approximate composition of some popular cheese varieties. For example, cheddar cheese contains 37.5% moisture, 32.0% fat, and 25.0% protein. Gouda has 38.5% moisture, 28.5% fat, and 25.5% protein. Swiss cheese features 39.0% moisture, 28.0% fat, and 27.0% protein. The table includes other varieties like Roquefort, Brick, Limburger, mozzarella, and cottage cheese, each with their specific compositions. This data is sourced from Upadhyay 2003. Protein content in cheese. Cheese has a high content of biologically valuable protein, ranging from approximately 4 to 40%. Whey proteins are lost in the whey during cheese making, so only casein remains in the cheese. Cheese protein is slightly deficient in sulfur-containing amino acids, making its biological value a bit less than that of total milk protein. However, cheese protein is almost 100% digestible, because during ripening, casein undergoes progressive breakdown into water-soluble peptides and free amino acids. This proteolysis also releases bioactive peptides that offer various health benefits to the human body. Carbohydrates, lipids, vitamins and minerals. The primary carbohydrate in cheese is lactose, which is hydrolyzed by starter lactic acid bacteria during the cheese-making process. This makes cheese a safe and suitable food for people who are lactose intolerant. Moving on to lipids, cheese is rich in fat, which significantly affects its firmness, adhesiveness, mouthfeel, flavor, and nutritional value. The fat in cheese contributes both saturated and total fat to the diet. The fatty acid composition is approximately 66% saturated, 30% monounsaturated, and 4% polyunsaturated. The cholesterol content ranges from 10 to 100 mg per 100 grams of cheese. It is important to note that dietary cholesterol has much less influence on blood cholesterol levels than previously thought. Now, we examine vitamins and minerals in cheese. Fat-soluble vitamins remain in the curd during cheese making, while most water-soluble vitamins are lost in the whey. During ripening, some microbial synthesis of B vitamins may occur. Cheese is a good source of vitamin A, riboflavin, vitamin B12, and to a lesser extent folate. It contains negligible amounts of vitamin C. Cheese is also an excellent source of nutritionally important elements like calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. Additionally, cheese is a good source of bioavailable calcium, providing about 800 mg of calcium per 100 grams. The bioavailability of calcium from cheese is equivalent to that from milk. Adequate calcium intake is crucial for the development of high bone mass and helps prevent osteoporosis. Thank you for joining Class 4 on Cheese Technology here on Moo Techie. We hope this detailed exploration of the composition and nutritional value of cheese has been informative and valuable. If you enjoyed this session, please support our channel by liking this video, subscribing for more expert content, and hitting the bell to stay updated. Keep learning and innovating with Moo Techie, where science meets dairy excellence.